To begin purchasing in MetaTrader 5, first, ensure that you have the platform installed and accessible on your device. You also need a trading account with a broker that supports MetaTrader 5. If you have not set up an account yet, visit your broker's website to create one and download their MetaTrader 5 application. Once you have your account set up and the platform open, log in using your account credentials. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the Market Watch window where you can see currency pairs and other financial instruments. If the Market Watch window is not visible, you can open it by clicking on View in the top menu and selecting Market Watch. Next, to initiate a buy order, you will need to select the financial instrument you want to trade. Right-click on the instrument in the Market Watch window and choose New Order from the context menu. A new window will pop up where you can set the order parameters. Select Buy as your order type and enter the volume or lot size you wish to purchase. If you have specific price levels in mind for stop loss or take profit, you can also set those in this window. Finally, click the Buy button to execute the order. You will see the new trade appear in the terminal window, giving you information about your open positions. To monitor your trade, keep an eye on the chart and the terminal window for any changes. If you wish to close the trade later, simply right-click on the position and select Close Order. This is a straightforward process and, with practice, it will become second nature.